Welcome friends, the iPhone mobile. In this video I fix iPhone 15 Pro Max display. So friends, this mobile touch is not even working, you see in my video. First you have to open both of its screws. Friends, at this time I open my mobile display. You have to use the opening tool to open the mobile display. And you have to do this very carefully and slowly. I open all screws, then remove this sheet. First you have to disconnect the battery, then you have to disconnect the display. Friends, this is my old display. You have to remove the call sensor that is on your old display and put it on the new display. Friends, this is my new display and I will change the display of this mobile because the old display was damaged from below.